In today's video, I'll show you how to make liquid glass tinted or frosted on your iPhone in iOS 26.1 or later. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first, and then scroll down and choose display and brightness from the list. Within here, tap on the option called liquid glass, which should be under the appearance section. You can now choose the tinted option on this page and check out how it looks. That's how to make liquid glass tinted or frosted on your iPhone in iOS 26.1 or later. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.